Let me show you how to make a simple yet effective solar oven using materials found around your home. You will need a pizza box, clean film or clear plastic, some silver foil, tape, and a stick or pencil. Cut 3/4 of a square out of the lid of the pizza box. Make it big enough as this is your solar panel, but leave one side attached. Tape one piece of foil to cover the underside of it. Open the box and tape your cling film to the underside of the lid so it is covered. Be sure to make a decent seal as this will trap the heat in the oven. Use the stick wedged into the little holes in the sides of the box or a pencil to prop open the lid. Your oven is ready to use, especially if the day is hot. Place the oven in a sunny spot in which the solar panel faces direct sunlight. The solar oven uses the sun's rays reflected onto the sealed food to heat and cook. Wait, and eat! Yum! Be sure to recycle this oven when you're done.